banana sushi. This can be used as an appetizer, a snack, or like a little treat. So some of the materials that we'll need today is first a cutting board, and a knife, and then like a butter knife to spread our material, and then what's optional is like a little bowl and spoon, and then a plate to like set it on and eat off of. So we're gonna start with this recipe. We're gonna use a whole wheat tortilla, and our base is gonna be some kind of nut butter. Today we'll be using sunflower or sun butter, which is sunflower seeds. But you can use peanut butter, almond butter, any kind of nut or seed butter that you prefer. A tip that I like to use to make it a little bit easier to spread around is by microwaving it. This is where the spoon and bowl come optional. We're going to use 2 tablespoons approximately, or you can measure with your heart, and you're just going to put it into the bowl, and you're going to heat it up for like 30 seconds. Okay, now that our sun butter is all heated up, it's gonna be a lot easier to spread. You're gonna take your tortilla, place it just flat on the cutting board, and like that, and we're just gonna spread it evenly, like evenly distributed, your nut butter, seed butter of choice. Tortilla should be fully covered at that point. Now we're gonna unwrap our banana. I always like to start from the back end, that way it doesn't mush the top, but you can do either way. You just start by kind of peeling and then going down from there. And you're just gonna take your whole banana and plop it horizontally, so like with the long side of the tortilla. Or if your tortilla is perfect in circle, that works too. Mine just is a little lopsided. And then from here, this is where we can get creative and fun. So today's toppings, I'm using cinnamon and honey, but you can really use whatever. This is the time to get creative if you want, like, you know, mini chocolate chips or maple syrup, if you want granola. You can really add anything that's gonna like, it's up to your preference. What tastes good to you, what will feel good, what's easy to chew and digest. Oh, I can't get this open. And I'm just gonna start by sprinkling the cinnamon. You can also do like a cinnamon sugar mixture, really whatever your heart desires. And then I'm gonna go in with my honey, and I'm just gonna drizzle it on top. You can also use like Nutella here. Add in, you know, pretty much anything. And then we're just gonna roll it up. We're gonna start by just like grabbing the edge of our tortilla on the back side, and we're gonna flip it over, up and over the banana, and then kind of pinching it, and then just going and rolling from there. So now we just have like a cute little burrito looking thing, and we're just gonna take our knife and we're just gonna cut it into even pieces. Maybe about like 1/2 inch wide. And then we can get rid of these buttons. But yeah, and now you have super cute and easy banana sushi.